like organizing. I'm gonna do a little home edit. My bins and stuff here. I don't know if I bought enough. Bins from Target. I went to the Container Store. No, this is the Container Store. And then I got this rack as well for my seasonings that you guys are gonna see in a second. I got these to put my seasonings on. And I also got a turntable for like oils and possibly medicines. I don't really know what we're gonna do yet. Figure it out when we get there. So, all right, so I'm gonna start here in my seasoning cabinet just because I just feel like it'll be the easiest one. So in here is going to be the seasoning rack, the turntable, and then possibly the seasoning rack, the turntable, and this thing. I got this to put like medicine and stuff in, like vitamins and all that kind of stuff. We'll see. Let's begin. The spice cabinet. I didn't realize we have this many spices, so the rack doesn't fit them all, so I put the rest up there. We are running low on a bunch, so how do I explain this? These will be like trash soon, so it'll be an open spot because we have like 2 garlic powders here, even though, you know, always buy it just before something runs out, so we're always ready to go. But yeah, I love it. This actually spins, so I gave it enough room to spin. I expanded this as much as I possibly could for this to still be able to spin. So we just got our sauces here, oils and sprays here, cooking stuff like sesame oil, red wine vinegar, there's soy sauce in the back, stuff like that, and then some more Chris's sauce, and then I have like vanilla extract here, and then my liquid stevia that I use for literally everything. Yeah, I love it. Next thing we're gonna work on is this. Not excited at all about that part, but this part is done and I think it looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and close it up.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked.
Okay, I am done. I've used all my bins that I bought. So yeah, it doesn't look as like aesthetic as I thought it would. But I did what I could do. I think it looks good though. We just gotta keep it like this. I just got pasta up there, and then that's white rice. And then here we've got spaghetti noodles, and then behind that is like little wheat noodles that are almost like gone. So I didn't want to put them in its own bin because we really don't eat them like that. So like once they're gone, they're gone. We won't buy them again. Because these are our favorite noodles from Trader Joe's, like the bow tie noodles. And then brown rice, because I enjoy brown rice, but Chris prefers white. That's why there's more white rice than brown, because that's like for meals, and then this is just like for my lunches or whatever. You guys don't care. And then there's quinoa, because I love quinoa. And then behind there I have like elbow noodles for like mac and cheese, which is like very rare, very rare. Probably never ever gonna use them, to be honest. But yeah, I think these look nice. I don't know what that is. Here we have my teas. So I'm not sure if I really like this with the lid. I'd probably just like it open, but then it leaves me less likely to like stack stuff on top. So the lid is nice. But yeah, I didn't realize how many teas I had until I laid them all out. That's a lot of tea. Clearly I like tea. Some things, like I said, we ran out of bins, so I couldn't put everything in bins. So Chris just bought this today, just some pre-workout. And then I have these granolas that are already in its own little container. So I just left them like that because my other granola is in this big one right here. Then here we just have some chia seeds. I try to put everything in these that we like use a lot and have like a very late expiration date. So yeah, I use chia seeds nearly every day. I use granola nearly every day. These, I can't remember what these are called. These are Chris's. Like dried craisins or something. Not craisins. Dried raspberries? But what is this?
What? Goji berries.
Goji berries. And then here we just have like little drink compartment thingies. So these are Chris's little pre-workouts. It's running out of those, but these are our liquid hydrating things, electrolytes and stuff like that. These are really expensive, but they're so good for you. I'm not even kidding. They're just so good. Get these, drink them. They really help with hydration. They help with if you have like digestion problems like I do. This freaking is amazing. Like, they're beautiful. They don't taste like fabulous, but they're bearable. So yeah, just put that in some water. And then down here we have, I try to do like a little protein kind of little thing. So we've got my Alani Nu protein bars back there. Then we have some Cliff bars here. Chris's cookies and cream barbell bars from Trader Joe's. And then I have like these pre-packet oatmeal. And then in here I just have like chia seed bars from Trader Joe's. And then here I put my chomps as well. I get the free range turkey, 0 sugar, love those. And then Chris's organic black mission figs. So that, I think that was just where this fit, so that's why I put that there. Behind it, like I said, we don't have bins for everything. We've got Chris's Catalina Crunch. Basically our cereals are in the back because we don't eat them like that, and they have a very long expiration date, so it's okay to be like stuck back there. And then I have my big old peanut butter and like honey, cookie butter, another thing of honey, and then I have one bagel left, so I just stuck it right there. Normally I would just set them on the counter, honestly. And then this one is just like healthy snacks, I guess. We have seaweed, pistachios, and then these pre-packet or individually packed almonds. Love that for us. Down here is more like snacks. Here we have some like dark chocolate keto cup coconut butter, whatever that is. Chris, I don't know. I don't eat chocolate, but that's for Chris. These are Gigglies. Giggles. They're from Whole Foods. They're like Whole Foods brand of Skittles. And then I have some BCAA. Basically like some, what are these called? I'll just say try on. Like sample pack BCAAs, and then Bowmar Nutrition like protein powders, and then there's a bar of chocolate back there as well because Chris likes chocolate. And then like I said, this is all of our snacks, so chips. Chris has some jerky back there. Chris's granola, but it's like chocolatey, so I put it there. I don't really know because he doesn't eat granola like I eat granola and like smoothies and yogurt. He just eats them for a snack. So I put them in the snack thing. These chips, they're about to be gone, but these are the best chips ever. They don't make you feel very great after you eat them, but they make you feel a lot better than eating hot Cheetos. If you're a hot Cheeto fan, try these. They're Whole Foods spicy cheese curls, and they are so good. And like I said, we ran out of bins, so everything else that we like barely touch is down here. So like pasta sauces, vegetable broth, baking soda, baking powder, apple cider vinegar, this teamy greens. I put this in my smoothies sometimes, but honestly, I'm not going to lie, I don't really like the taste. Even though I like getting my greens in, I don't really like the taste, so I don't really use it every day. Just some syrup. We don't really use that often because we don't really eat breakfast food like that. Coconut milk cans, you know, like tomato paste, sugar. There's flour in the back. I was gonna do one of these bins with flour, but I was like, you know what? We don't really fry anything like that, and we don't bake anything like that. So I was like, I'm not gonna waste one of these bins for flour. If I do happen to go back to the store and buy more bins, I'll get a bin for flour. But other than that, this is what we're working with.
Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
I like how it's like looks good, and it starts like just trickling down and looking bad towards we get to the end. I think I showed you guys this. This top shelf looks a mess. I want to get another one of these racks, but we'll see. But I just have like medicine, probiotics, vitamin D in there, and then seasonings. I try to put all the Trader Joe's on the side just because they're smaller, so I could fit everything. And then just like Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, not Whole Foods. I think that I get these from Sprouts. And then this one is Trader Joe's, but it was just too big. And then like I said, this turntable is so freaking nice. But yeah, that's what we're working with, and that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to do. There'll probably be more coming because I'm not done yet. Like, I'm like motivated now to like organize the rest of my kitchen, the rest of my house. I want to organize my fridge too, so maybe we'll work on that next week. I don't know, we'll see what the future holds, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one.
Really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah. Without you by my side.